Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is the NV Surigao. Calling all stations. Over.
MV Surigao, this is Coast Guard Station 11, Surigao City. We copy your distress call. State your position and the nature of your emergency. Over.
We are approximately 15 nautical miles east at Surigao City. Position 9 degrees 45 minutes north, 126 degrees 10 minutes east. We have experienced a complete engine failure. We are currently adrift, maintaining a minimal steerage with our emergency radar. Over.
MV Surigao, we copy your positional situation. How many souls are aboard? What is the condition of vessel? Over.
We have a crew of 22, all accounted for and a good health. The vessel is stable, but we are taking on a slight to port. Due to the shell, we have active our emergency beacon. Over.
Roger that. We are dispatching a rescue tag, the BRP Samar, to your location. GRETA is approximately 2 hours. Meanwhile, maintain radio contact and report any changes in your condition. Over. Do you require immediately medical assistance? Over.
Negative on medical assistant. At this time, we are managing well, but we are concerned about the increasing swell. We are monitoring the situation and report back. Over.
Understood. The BRP Samar will be equipped with medical team as a precaution. Maintain a VHF radio watch channel 16 on our designated emergency frequency. 2182 kHz. Over and out. In this area, this is Station 11. We have confirmed that BRP Summer's departure. They will be contacting underway when they are within visual range. Maintain your position and await their arrival. Over.
Roger, Coast Guard Station 11. We will await the arrival of the BRP Summer. Thank you for your prompt response. Over and out.